Hi guys, we're here in Dubliners. Sorry, I'm a little bit drunk at this time. I just had 3 Budweisers. Okay, and also my friend got his 3 Guineas. Yeah, that's Joel. Epal. Alam mo yung Epal?
I'm also a YouTuber.
Capital EP. Yeah, he's a YouTuber. I know. And
Yung description there, or the description box.
so ano, gusto mo ikaw na lang mag-video?
You can subscribe. They can also subscribe to me on my channel or something.
Sorry friends kasi medyo epal lang talaga yung friend ko pero
We don't have subscriber yet, and I have 449.
well, this is my first vlog. Okay, this is ate.
Say hi.
So yon, medyo maganda yung place.
Ay, natural.
See? It's like an old English place, like, you know, in Ireland, because this Dubliners is an Irish bar. So, as you can see, most people are, you know, white. Sana hindi nila ako makita na binivideo ko sila. Oo, white hairs. Ayun. Ano ba? Alam mo, ang dami mong batin eh. Lagi-lagi ka na lang nagbabatin kasi this is my video. I'm doing this video for the sake of my viewers. Yan. Did you hear that? Joe Mix daw. Subscribe din daw kayo doon. Dahil wala siyang subscriber. 3 years na siya nag-vlog pero zero ano pa siya subscribers.
Mag-subscribe kayo sa kanya. Mag-subscribe kayo sa kanya kasi okay din siya. New vlogger. Pero kasi kumakanta siya eh.
Vlog mo ba yan?
Ha?
Vlog mo ba itong ipopost ko?
Hindi.
Yeah, most of my vlogs are, you know, music, ballads, you know, because I'm a balladeer. Excuse me, you can watch me out. Yung account ko is, I forgot yung ano nga ba yung account ko sa sa YouTube? JC Josh yata. Yeah, just try it. If you would find it, then ako nga yun. Basta kamukha ko lang ha. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!